I've been exploring Capital One Platinum credit card for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on it. So let's dive in and see if it's the right fit for you. The Capital One Platinum credit card is an excellent option for individuals looking to build or improve their credit score. Whether you're starting from scratch or recovering after financial difficulties, this card offers a straightforward way to achieve your credit building goals. One of the key features of the Capital One Platinum credit card is its no annual fee structure, which ensures that cardholders don't have to worry about an extra financial burden while working on their credit journey. This makes it a low-risk choice, especially for those on a tight budget. Another standout feature is the ability to automatically consider cardholders for a credit limit increase after 6 months of responsible usage. For many, this provides an opportunity to improve their credit utilization ratio, a significant factor in calculating credit scores. Additionally, Capital One reports to all 3 major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, giving users a reliable pathway to demonstrate their creditworthiness to future lenders. However, while the card structure is designed to help build credit, it's important to note that it comes with a high variable APR, typically around 29.99%. This means carrying a balance month to month can result in costly interest charges. To make the most of the Capital One Platinum credit card, it's crucial to pay your balance in full each month, thereby avoiding interest and keeping your credit building efforts on track. Now let's talk about its perks and rewards. Unlike some credit cards that offer cashback or travel points, the Capital One Platinum credit card does not include a rewards program. Its primary focus is on credit building rather than providing additional financial incentives. While this may be a downside for those who prefer earning rewards on purchases, it's a trade-off that's justified by the card's purpose and accessibility. When it comes to accessibility, the card does not require a security deposit, making it more convenient than secured credit cards, often targeted at individuals with limited or poor credit histories. This feature is particularly appealing to those who may not have the upfront cash required for a secured card. Additionally, Capital One offers tools like CreditWise, a free credit monitoring service available to all users, even non-Capital One customers. With CreditWise, cardholders can track changes to their credit score, monitor their credit report, and receive alerts for potential fraud, enhancing their overall financial awareness. The application process for the Capital One Platinum credit card is straightforward, with many applicants receiving a decision within minutes. However, it's essential to note that this card is geared towards individuals with fair credit, generally defined as a credit score ranging from 580 to 669. If your credit falls below this range, approval may be more challenging, though not impossible, as Capital One considers a range of factors beyond just your credit score. Now let's talk about fees. As mentioned earlier, the Capital One Platinum credit card has no annual fee, which is a significant advantage for budget-conscious users. There are also no foreign transaction fees, making it a suitable option for international travelers or those making purchases from foreign merchants. However, late payment fees can go up to $40, so it's essential to make on-time payments to avoid unnecessary charges and maintain a positive payment history. The customer experience with Capital One is another aspect worth highlighting. The company provides 24/7 customer service, and their mobile app is highly rated for its ease of use. Through the app, users can manage their accounts, make payments, and monitor their spending with just a few taps. Despite these positives, some customers have reported issues with customer support, particularly around resolving disputes or account errors. This is something to keep in mind, especially if you value top-notch service. Now let's see, how does it compare to other credit building cards? When compared to competitors like the Discover It secured credit card or the Pedal 2 Visa credit card, the Capital One Platinum credit card holds its ground well. While it lacks the rewards and cashback benefits offered by some alternatives, its no deposit requirement and automatic credit line reviews make it a strong contender for those focused primarily on improving their credit score. For individuals who prioritize earning rewards alongside credit building, exploring other options might be worthwhile, but for simplicity and effectiveness, Capital One Platinum remains a top choice. Overall, the Capital One Platinum credit card is a reliable and straightforward tool for those looking to establish or rebuild their credit. Its no annual fee structure, access to credit limit increases, and comprehensive credit reporting make it a valuable asset for financial growth. However, its high APR and lack of rewards might not appeal to everyone. As always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.